Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Gumpert Apollo, and this is by Siku. So I think I bought this for 349. Yeah, I bought this for 349 rupees. So I bought it sometime back, like at least 4-5 months, not even 5. I think it's 6 months back I bought this. So if I'm not wrong, I bought this from Toys India. I'm not sure. No, sorry, Toy March. If I'm not wrong. So I've been seeing a lot of websites because I don't remember exactly. I'm pretty sure this is from Toy March, if I'm not wrong. So check out your luck. Maybe they would have still have some Seikos left. They're restocking every now and then, but not sure about exactly this car. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. This one looks really, yeah, pretty new. Okay, let me just take the car out. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions of this particular car, it looks really beautiful. I'm not going to say anything else. So it looks really beautiful. So let's close the doors for a minute. It has this butterfly doors. And okay, since it's been sitting in the desk for a long time, or shelf for a long time, see, it has some paint issues on the spoiler. Actually, it is made of metal, so there is some paint issues in the spoiler, but rest of the casting looks really nice. It doesn't have any issue, and the headlights are actually having some kind of acrylic, and they just wait, let me just check it out. Okay, I'm not sure. Yeah, it has some kind of acrylic. Yeah, can able to put my finger here. It has some kind of acrylic, and they just painted inside on that acrylic for the detailing. The casting is really lightweight, it is not heavy. As usual, the chassis is made of plastic and the entire body is made of metal. It has the details of the car. That is really amazing thing if you ask me. None of the other brands actually does this. And the paint job looks really beautiful. So even the tail lights are actually made of acrylic. Look at the detailing here. Wow, that is really amazing. See, think about it, for 349 rupees they are able to do all these things. Then why the hell Hot Wheels is not able to do anything? That too specifically in metal, when it comes to Matchbox. Literally every casting, maybe except one or two, literally everything else looks like shit for 499 rupees. Okay, it has rear view mirror details, as you can see here. So let's open it. Okay, this actually stays up, it is not falling down. Wow, that is really nice. So the shitty Matchboxes actually it falls down in literally every car, which I really hate, which defies the whole purpose of having a moving part. So I really like majority in this thing. It doesn't actually fall down, it just holds up like this. Okay, so the rims are actually made of plastic, the tires are made of rubber, and this car actually has a different set of rims compared to others we unboxed, if you remember. The rest of the cars actually had the exact same rims. The interior detail looks really beautiful. It looks really beautiful. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have, but anyway. Okay, it doesn't have. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, surprisingly it rolls really well, but still it has wheel wobble, especially the rear wheels. So the rear wheels wobble a lot compared to the front ones, but still this one is really nice. It rolls really well compared to all other Seiko models. I personally love this one. These castings are really look beautiful in your hands. There are no other words. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.